Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you have finally arrived. I have a new box for you, and it is called the Pamper Hamper. This box smells amazing, and this box is traditional handmade soap like Grandma used to make, crafted right here in the Old Dominion state. So this box is $32.50 a month, or you can do a 1 month, a 3 month, or a 6 month. So the price is, like I said, is $32.50 a month, or you can do the 3 month, which would be $87.75, or you can do a 6 month plan, which is $162.50. And let me see here what else we have to say. It says the Pamper Hamper Tub Time Treats. We specialize in traditional cold pressed soaps, handmade in small batches using sulfate, paraben, and phthalate. I think I said that right. Not sure. Free products. I'll put that across the screen right here so that you can see what I'm talking about. It is phthalate free products. I have no idea what that means, but I should have probably checked it out. Inside each monthly box, you will receive a selection of 5 full-size artisan-crafted soaps, bath products, or treats for your home, along with carefully curated bonus items. It makes a great gift. Prepaid options are available. All items are handmade in small batches by artisan crafters. They are full-size products, limited edition, and tried and true favorites, and exclusive free gifts each month. Let's open this box up. This box smells so good. And I like the Halloween theme. Very nice. And the little tub on the front. Very cute. On the side, it says, sticky fingers, tired feet. One last house, trick or treat. And it says Happy Halloween over there. Okay, let's open it up now that we've admired the box. Oh, look, it says, hello, beautiful. Oh, that's so sweet. But there is our box when we open it. Boo. It says boo. Okay, let's read our little card. It says the Pamper Hamper, what's in our box. And then there is a list of everything that is in my box. Very cute, very cute. All right. Move the tissue paper out of the way. Very Halloweenish. I love that. Okay, let's pull out our first little thing here. Let me see if I can do it in order. Yes, I can. This first one is called a pumpkin patch for your bathroom. Jack-o'-lantern, and this is 5.5 ounce soap, and it is $8.50. And isn't that just so cute? And it says jack-o'-lantern. Ingredients are saponified oils. Oh my goodness. Mica fragrance for a spooky surprise. Turn out the lights. So I wonder if this doesn't glow in the dark. Look at that cute little pumpkin. Oh. Smells so good. That smells good. That's a great size bar. I like that. That's a great size bar of soap. Wow. That smells yummy. Okay. Bad luck or good luck, whatever you believe. These Halloween kitties make great drawer scents or guest soaps. This is a 6 1-ounce soap, and this is $4. Oh, they're little tiny soaps. Oh, well, I'm gonna have to open the cute little package. It is so cute for coming off. Oh, those are just so cute. I'm gonna try and show you. They're little black cats. They're individual little soaps. And they're little black cats. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try. Aren't they just the cutest little thing? It's a little kitty cat. And it is a soap. I'm trying to, there we go. Isn't that just so cute? That smells amazing. I could smell that all day. I smell cinnamon in there. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Oh, I just cannot with this soap. This soap smells so good. Cinnamon anything, but I put it back in its cute little package. Probably not as beautiful as it was when it came to me, but it's still cute. Okay, on to the next, on to the next. All right. Oh, isn't that just so cute? This is my free gift, and this is a gingerbread zombie soap cookie. And it has the little axe with it, and then the zombie ghost. Is that what it is? Gingerbread zombie soap. It's a gingerbread man, but he's a zombie. And he has his own little axe. That's just too cute. That is just too cute. We're going to take him out. And there he is. Just a little gingerbread man soap. And his little axe. I wonder if this axe is a soap too. Because that would be like so crazy cool. And I just broke it. Oh no! I just broke it. I broke it. No! Oh. I broke it. I'm sorry, gingerbread man. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to break it. Oh, it's so delicate. I broke it. Oh. Well, it's still cute irregardless if I broke it or not. But that is just too cute. Not really a scent to this, but it's a cute soap, so I guess. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. I love that. I love that. What a nice personal touch. That is a cute little gift. Okay, now we got to put you back in your little place there, gingerbread guy. I don't want to break you too, so get in there. Just go willingly and there won't be any problems. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, on to the next thing. So far, I'm loving this. It is so, so cute. Okay. And now we have bath salts, and it says every potion needs a pinch of salt. And this is called Witch's Brew. And this is bath salt. Simply add to warm running bath water and allow to dissolve. Remember to rinse the tub after to avoid staining, because it is dark in color. I believe, yep, purples and greens. Isn't that something? Oh my goodness, that smells so good. I'm getting a cinnamon smell. Oh my goodness, they have spoiled me with cinnamon in this box, and the price of this is $8 for this. It is well worth it with that scent. Let me tell you what. I am in cinnamon heaven right now. Just cinnamon heaven. Okay, and this one is called No Rest for the Wicked with this gravestone bath bomb. And yep, this is the way it came. Oh, I don't really want to open this. Oh, let me see if I can't slide it out through the packaging, because I want to show you what it looks like, because the picture is really, really cute. So I want to show you what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, isn't that something? I believe it looks like a headstone. Yes, it is a headstone. It says R.I.P. And it's got like a little bat right there. It is a headstone. I almost lost it. Oh, Lordy. That's cute. That is cute. It says simply drop into a tub of warm water for a spooky, fizzy me time treat. And this is $5. That's so cute. It amazes me the artistic talent in these bath boxes. When I get these bath boxes, it just blows my mind how artistic the people that make these soaps, it amazes me. I'm just like speechless. It just amazes me. I just cannot with something like this. It's just, oh, right here. It is add bubble to your bath with our Something Wicked bubble bar. So we are going to open this up as well because I want you guys to be able to see it all in its fantastic artistic glory. I just don't know if I would have the patience to do some of the stuff that I've seen in these boxes. I would be like, come on now. It does not want to come out. It is being, oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, I got it. All right, so here is this. Right, that is so pretty. And look at the size of this. That is a big, thick, wicked bubble bar. Crumble a small piece, half or even the whole bar into your bathroom. The fizzing action releases the fragrance and helps soften the water. Rinse the tub well after use, as oils can make it slippery. Take care getting in and out of the bathtub. Now, isn't that just beautiful? Wow. Oh my gosh. It's just, and the weight and the smell, amazing, amazing. Amazing. I like that. That is another winner in my book, and that is $4.50, which I don't find that that's a bad price at all for that. Not by any means. I would pay $4.50 for that. Honestly, I would buy that. If it was in like a local store, I would definitely buy that. This is No Screams from our Fright Night. 4-ounce soap, just lovely lather. This is a bar of soap. Look at that. Isn't that just, it's just amazing. How on earth do they do what they do? I just, there's a little tiny hole in the package right there. This, oh my goodness. That smell, wow. I need to learn how to make my own soap because I'm telling you. Oh, and the price of this is, and again, I would pay $4.50 for this. I would pay that, knowing that it's handmade. And the time put into making these soaps, yes. I would pay $4.50 for this. I definitely would pay $4.50. I would pay it. Yes, I would. And we have one last thing, and this is a free gift as well. And again, we are going to have, because it is packaged very, very well. Very, very well. Isn't that so cute? It says egg. So we are going to get this open so that I can show you what's inside for my free gift. Let's see here. Oh, you know, I'm at the same way at Christmas time. I don't want to ruin the package. So this is, there's 3 of these, and it is candy corn scented sugar scrubs. Oh my goodness. Look at that packaging. Isn't that just darling? I just love that. The 3 of these together is $4.50 as well. And that, like I said, it's candy corn scented sugar scrub. Oh, I want to open it, but I'm not going to use it right away. I wonder if that will make a difference. I don't know. But I want you guys to know what it smells like, right? Maybe if I just open the corner, because it has like the little tear thing right there. So I can just tear it, just a corner, just a little sniff. Come on, get down there. Okay, just a little sniff. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. And I love candy corn. My kids, they're like, Mom, that's disgusting. Well, except for a couple of, half of my kids don't mind candy corn. I love it. Oh, that, now I gotta go get some candy corn because that smells just like it. That is crazy how that just smells just like candy corn. Oh my goodness. It says on the back, using circular motion, apply to wet skin to exfoliate. Avoid getting products in the eyes. Rinse off with warm water and soap if desired. And it says the ingredients are sugar, apricot oil, candy corn fragrance. And that is it. It just smells delicious. I just cannot stop sniffing this. It smells so good. And I'm going to put it in a little baggie so I can keep it safe. And I got it on my fingers. Oh, amazing. This box is amazing and well worth the $32.50 because the smells alone are just amazing. So again, I highly recommend this box. I think this box is so super cute. All of the items, everything in here, which I will lay out on, I will put pictures so that you can see every item in the box, examine it. I will put the price next to it just so that you can see what I'm talking about. This box is amazing and I think you need to get yourself one. There is a code on Cratejoy where you can get a special discount and I will leave the link below along with the code so that you can get a special discount at checkout and go ahead and get yourself one of these boxes. This box, the Pamper Hamper, is amazing and I highly suggest it. It smells so good. I cannot wait to get in the bathroom now. Makes me excited to be in the bathtub. So, all right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you'll check out the Pamper Hamper. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video real soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there and give me a thumbs up and let me know that I am doing what I am supposed to be doing and making you guys great videos. I will see you in my next video real soon.